Adrenaline is best experienced with the assurance of safety, and designed for the highest safety standards. XUV700's advanced driver assist system use both radar and camera technology, which is extensively calibrated for Indian roads. Well, the radar continuously scans the road ahead with radio frequencies, while camera keeps making sense of what's happening in front of you with the help of advanced algorithms. And these two fuse together and unlocks a host of safety and advanced comfort features for your XUV700. While you're driving, when a vehicle in front interrupts your drive, both camera and radar come together and give you forward collision warning. Well, what's happening is radar and camera are continuously calculating time to collision with another vehicle. And if this time to collision becomes dangerously low, the system gives you a warning so that driver can take an evasive action. In case of no action from the driver, then the system will kick in and automatic emergency braking will be triggered. This is to either mitigate the collision or prevent the collision. XUV700 makes sure you're never out of line. So while driving, if you unintentionally stray away from your lane, the camera would understand that and would give you a warning so that you can correct course and come back to your lane. In case you have enabled lane keep assist, and in case there is a lane departure warning, there will be a slight steering correction and XUV700 will make sure you come back to your host lane with ease and with comfort. Well, if that's not enough, XUV700 is equipped with adaptive cruise control. The system uses vehicle-to-vehicle distance control to allow you to take your foot away from the pedal while you cruise at a constant speed on a highway. Since the cruise control is adaptive, the XUV700 will intelligently slow down the vehicle, adjust its speed, or bring it to a halt based on the speed of the vehicle in front of your XUV700. Now I must introduce you my favorite feature of the XUV700, it's a Smart Pilot Assist. I like this feature especially on the highways. It allows you not only to experience the adaptive cruise control but also to experience steering assist, so that you can enjoy not only the longitudinal control of a safe distance from a vehicle in front of you, but also lateral control which keeps you safely planted in the center of the lane you're cruising on. Jaw-dropping, right? Well, I haven't even told you what happens after sunset. XUV700 comes with auto booster headlamps. While they greatly improve visibility for you, imagine the discomfort they might cause to oncoming motorists. The ADAS feature comes with a high beam assist feature. This feature intelligently detects an oncoming motorist and temporarily switches high beam to low beam. All this makes you a great nighttime driver for your fellow motorists.
Here's to handling predictable and unpredictable situations, so you enjoy your adrenaline-filled drives safely.